Happy 18th birthday!
Message ko sa'yo is, sana, kahit anong problema mo, seek lang lagi kay God.
Lagi naman namin sa'yo sinasabi, mas maging matured pa ang ating isip sa lahat ng bagay. And lagi lang naman kami nandito ni Tita Nicole para sa'yo. Alam mo naman yan. And happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you so much.
Welcome to the 18th birthday party of our amazing debutant, Arlene.
Gone too soon. Still I carry on. Seems the more and more I try, the more I have to sacrifice.
Happy birthday, Len. Very proud kami sa'yo kasi lagi kang may award. So, ang gusto ko lang is, sana huwag kang mapagod na pagurin si Mama na umakyat sa stage para tumanggap ng award. Kasi bilang anak, kahit magulang na ako, yun lang yung masusukli natin sa magulang natin na magpapasaya sa kanila. Diba? Ayun. So, happy birthday at ayun, enjoy the night.
And when the night is finally done, I know the best is yet to come.
Arlene, alam ko marami kang plano, maraming yung plano para sa iyo. Trust lang tayo kay Lord. Just be connected with God. Kasi kung ano yung plano ni Lord, kung ano yung gusto ni Lord sa atin, yun ang masusunod. Kahit na anong sikap natin, kahit anong gawin natin kung wala si Lord sa buhay natin, hindi natin makakamit yung success. Just stay connected with God lang ako, and I love you.
And when the night is finally done, I know the best is yet to come. I lift my head up to the rising sun. I run towards you in the horizon. I run towards you in the horizon.